Number 10. Samsung Gear VR. Samsung developed the Samsung Gear VR in collaboration with Oculus VR to work with Samsung's flagship smartphones. While using a compatible Samsung Galaxy device, it acts as the headset's processor and display, while the Gear unit itself acts as the controller. The unit contains the field of view and a custom inertial measurement unit for rotational tracking that connects to the smartphone via USB-C or micro USB. It also includes a touchpad and back button on the side and a proximity sensor to detect whether the headset is on. There's a wheel at the top of the headset to adjust the focus and a trackpad at the right side with the home and back buttons located just above it. There is a USB port on the bottom of the headset. Volume can be adjusted using volume rockers, which are also located on the right-hand side. The starting price of the Samsung Gear VR unit is $99. Number 9. Pico Goblin 2. The Pico Goblin 2 is the second installment in the Goblin series and is lighter and has better features and functionality than its predecessor. It's small and portable with improved battery life and better picture display. Due to its counterweighted battery design, the G2 is comfortable to wear and lightweight, weighing 268 grams, which is almost 40% less than the original Goblin. The Pico Goblin 2 features a 3K LCD display with a screen resolution of 1440 by 1600. With a PPI of 615 and a refresh rate of 90 Hz, the Goblin 2 offers you a fantastic viewing experience and provides better, brighter, and clearer picture quality than that of its predecessor. A Qualcomm Snapdragon 835 processor powers the device with a 4GB high-speed LPDDR4 1866 RAM. The Pico Goblin 2 is available at $299. Number 8. Lenovo Mirage Solo. You can enjoy a standalone VR experience without being tethered to a computer, smartphone, or cables with the Lenovo Mirage Solo. It offers a 110-degree field of view and dual tracking cameras and allows for total immersion in the virtual reality environment. The 5.5-inch display features 2560 by 1440 resolution with a refresh rate of 75 Hz, offering smooth movement and detailed graphics. The Mirage Solo also features a motion tracking technology known as WorldSense that lets you move around and explore virtual environments. The headset is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 835 processor, 4GB of RAM, and offers 64GB storage space. It has a micro SD card slot that supports up to 256GB and a 3.5mm headphone jack. The Lenovo Mirage Solo is priced at $399. Number 7. Pico Neo 2. The Pico Neo is the second installment in the Neo series with better comfort, features, and functionality, and was included in the list of Time's Best Innovations of 2020. It has an ergonomic counterweight design with 4K resolution, precision eye tracking, and spatial stereo speakers. It's compatible with many Android peripherals and has an SD expansion slot that supports up to 256GB SD cards. A powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor powers the Pico Neo with boundless XR and 4GB high-speed RAM. The headset incorporates 6 DOF hand controllers using ultrasonics. This technology enables the Neo 2 to deliver high-fidelity control without the help of external cameras or trackers. The Pico Neo 2 is available at $699. Number 6. Valve Index. The Valve Index is intended to be used with the Valve Index controllers known as the Knuckles controllers during development. The Valve Index is a second-generation VR headset, the first to be manufactured by the American video company Valve. It uses 1440 by 1600 LCD panels for each eye, with a combined resolution of 2880 by 1600. The panels are full RGB that can operate at different refresh rates of 80 Hz, 90 Hz, 120 Hz, and a currently experimental 144 Hz. Although the specified field of view is 130 degrees, users have reported a realistic view of only 120 degrees. Both the headset and controller support Valve's Lighthouse 2.0 tracking system. The Valve Index supports both the Windows and Linux operating systems. It features a pair of ultra near-field, full-range, off-ear headphones that use BMR drivers to produce accurate and immersive low-frequency sounds. The Valve Index VR headset comes for $999. Number 5. Oculus Rift S. The Oculus Rift S is a successor to the original Rift CV1 model with notable changes, including an inside-out positional tracking system with cameras fixed inside the headset unit. It uses a single fast switch LCD panel with a resolution of 2560 by 1440 with an 80 Hz refresh rate. The field of view is 115 degrees, and the Oculus Rift S uses next-gen lens technology that can almost eliminate God rays. It features a halo headband with better weight distribution and better light blocking, offering better comfort overall. At the rear of the band is a knob that brings the device forward and backwards. It uses the same second-generation controllers used in the Oculus Quest. The Oculus Rift S uses an inside-out tracking system called Oculus Insight. The 5 built-in cameras of the headset that track infrared diodes in the controller and input from the accelerometers in the controllers and headset, and a prediction engine are used to track the headset and controller spatially. The Oculus Rift S is available at $399. Number 4. HTC Vive Cosmos. The HTC Vive Cosmos is a high-end VR headset powered by a PC. It has a 3.4-inch 2880 by 1700 resolution display and a refresh rate of 90 Hz. It offers 1440 by 1700 pixels for each eye. HTC decided to go for a traditional halo design for the Vive Cosmos with a Velcro strap and wheel at the back that can be used to tighten and loosen the headset. The 2 front-facing cameras of the headset feature a pass-through mode that can be accessed by pressing the Vive button twice in any app or game. The HTC Vive Cosmos controllers have a light-up ring that surrounds the face buttons and gives the front of the controller a little heft. It's available to buy in its base package, including a 6-camera tracking faceplate for $699. Number 3. Sony PlayStation VR. The Sony PlayStation VR is designed for use with the Sony PlayStation 4 or PS4 Pro. The headset is mainly made of curved white plastic with a protruding visor that holds most of the electronics and a single thick headband around the back of your head. The headset has a 5.7-inch OLED panel with 1920 by 1080 display resolution and 1960 by 1080 pixel resolution per eye. The Sony PlayStation VR comes with a processor box that enables the social screen video output to the television and processes the 3D audio effect. The headset allows 3 rendering modes for the developers to choose from: the native 90 Hz and 120 Hz, and a mode where the gameplay running at 60 Hz would be displayed at 120 Hz using a motion interpolation technique asynchronous reprojection. The Sony PlayStation VR is available for $399. Number 2. HP Reverb G2. Developed in collaboration with Valve and Microsoft, the HP Reverb G2 is a follow-up to its original HP Reverb headset. It features a resolution of 2160 by 2160 for each eye, with a 90 Hz pixel rate, offering you a high-quality experience with smooth movement. The headset provides you with a field of view of 114 degrees and consists of 4 cameras providing 6 DOF inside-out tracking. It features Valve-designed lenses and integrated off-ear speakers, which is the same as on Valve Index. With redesigned Windows mixed reality controllers, replaceable magnetic fabric face cushions, and dual microphones, the HP Reverb G2 is one of the best VR headsets out there. It delivers a more comfortable, immersive, and compatible experience. It comes at a price tag of $599. Number 1. Oculus Quest 2. The Oculus Quest 2 is one of the best VR systems currently available on the market that does not require a considerable expense. The Oculus Quest V2 is the perfect way to get into VR, as it does not need any cable or tethers to get started. It can work as a standalone headset with an internal Android-based operating system or with Oculus-compatible VR software running on PC when connected over Wi-Fi or USB. Snapdragon XR2 powers the device, and 6 GB of RAM supplies a sufficient amount of memory to ensure smooth gameplay. With 1830 by 1920 resolution per eye, the Oculus Quest effectively puts pixels right in front of your eyes. With a 90 Hz refresh rate, it prevents motion sickness and provides a much smoother experience. The black cloth-covered exterior of the original Oculus Quest is replaced with white-colored plastic and a black facepad in the Oculus Quest 2. It is lighter than the first generation, with a fabric-based strap and a power button located on the side of the headset. The Oculus Quest 2 comes at $299 for the 64GB model and $399 for the 256GB model. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.